because you hate yourself is no reason to injure yourself further. Punishing yourself is simply a cheat to make you feel better for a little while.
I have to be a good child. Because I have no daddy. Because I have to be good and not bother my mommy. But I don't want to become like my mom. When my father is not here, she always cries. I can't cry. I can't depend on anyone else. So I have to be good. That way maybe my father won't hate me as much. I hope. Maybe my father won't hate me if I be good. Are you sure? Or is it perhaps your father that you'd like to show this to? Wasn't it really peace of mind that you were seeking in Kaji's bed? You wanted peace of mind and warmth from Kaji then? You wanted to find your father in Kaji's embrace, didn't you? Why should anyone else love me anyway? I hate myself! The me who is recognized is the me who's performing a role in order to be appreciated. She's not the real me. Yes.